guys, welcome back to Sunshine KY Cantonese. Have you watched the 2025 Spring Festival Gala 2 days before? As a local Cantonese speaker, usually I don't watch that. However, this year the gala full of Cantonese elements attracts more people from southern part of China, especially Guangdong, Guangxi and Hainan provinces. Let's see how many Cantonese elements during this show. Number 1. Bay Area Harmony, especially the Bay Area brothers, Can Xiucheng, Zhang Jilang, and Zhao Pahou. They performed the classic Cantonese songs such as Hoi Fu Tian Hong, Lam Yi Dong Zike, and Hong Ya. These songs reflect the spirit of struggle of a generation. Additionally, Wang Mengchun, joined by Sid Hoi Kei, Lau Shiguan, and Zhong Chuohei, sang the classic Cantonese song Man Shui Qin San Zhong Si Qing. Finally, everyone joined in a chorus of 沧海一聲笑 and 灣區之日, expressing the passion of the people of the Greater Bay Area, 大灣區. The next performance, Yu Yi, and you will see the Hong Kong famous singer Yong Zhouyi, Joey. The song's lyrics and melody conveyed a sense of celebration and well-wishing, fitting perfectly with the festive atmosphere of the Spring Festival. Next one, my favorite singer, male singer, enchanting, Can Yingshun. He sang the song 孤勇者 with the Paris Olympic Games Chinese extraordinary contributors in the 2025 Spring Festival Gala. These performances not only showed the talents of these individuals, but also highlighted China's achievements in the various sports disciplines. So next one, the Cantonese opera performance, the sketch borrowing the umbrella. So it cleverly integrates elements from 4 traditional Chinese opera: Peking opera, Gingke, Cantonese opera, Yuke, Sichuan opera, Chunke, and Yue opera. So next I'm going to introduce the performers Yi Tong and Jiu Ngaji as the classic cast of The Legend of the White Snake, 新白娘子傳奇. It is a famous Chinese traditional fantasy TV drama in 1992. They performed in the song 1,000 Years Later, 千年等一換, and Cantonese main characters Tam Qingyi and Shou Meikei. They performed in the Cantonese opera Yuke called 白蛇傳. This performance not only showed the timeless appeal of the classic TV series, but also brought back fond memories for the audience, making the 2025 Spring Festival Gala a special event filled with nostalgia and celebration. So next one, also my favorite, Donnie Yen, Yang Zidan, who is the main character of movie Yip Man, performed alongside 76 young martial artists from the Henan Shaolin Tago Martial Arts School, and with the 5 Tai Chi champions. The performance vividly showed the spirit and soul of Chinese calligraphy, which can ink thousands of miles and capture the essence of mountains and rivers. Donnie Yan's performance not only displayed the power and the beauty of Chinese martial arts, Kung Fu, but also innovatively combined the martial arts with the art of calligraphy, offering the audience a dual feast of visual and cultural experience. His dedication and commitment to the traditional culture were highly praised by the audience. The next one is the Yong dance performance, Ying Do Mo. The program's Dance of the Brave dancers, including inheritors of the Yong dance, performs this traditional dance. The dance combines elements of dance and martial arts, showcasing the vitality and confidence of the Chinese nation. So what is my favorite? Have you seen the robot dancing? Oh my god, how a robot could dance like this. Okay, that's interesting. Have you seen these special performances in Spring Festival Gala? If not, try to take a look at it. So see you next time!